ছাত্রীর সেই লেভেলের মাস্টারপিস ইংরেজি স্পিচ।
All the students, it's your first day in class 7. I am your class teacher, Miss Lotika. So, introduce yourself one by one in English. First, you stand up and start.
Miss, my good name is Shikha, but my home call me Sweetie Cutie. I born when I small, now I big. I read in class 7, but I not always reading because current off. My father is a businessman, cow businessman. My mother is gentlewoman. I having 2 brothers, 1 sister. My hobby is cooking Maggie, dancing bathroom.
Dancing bathroom?
Yes, miss. Drawing room people see me. Bathroom no people. My aim of life is doctor plus engineer plus pilot combo pack. My dream place is Cox's Bazar because many water, selfie and TikTok opportunity. Thank you. I am finished.
কেমন হলো শিখার পরিচিতি পর্ব কমেন্টে জানাও, আর লাইক, শেয়ার এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে ভুলো না কিন্তু।